Welcome back to Drive Script. Today we're exploring one of the most legendary SUVs ever made, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 400. Toyota has long been synonymous with rock-solid reliability and serious off-road capability, and the all-new LC-400 raises the bar even higher. The 2026 model brings refreshed styling, enhanced technology, improved comfort, and better performance, all while staying true to the Land Cruiser's off-road heritage. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising city avenues, the LC-400 is designed to deliver confidence and capability in equal measure. From the exterior, the 2026 Land Cruiser 400 carries a bold and commanding presence. Toyota has modernized the classic Land Cruiser design with sharper lines, a more sculpted front fascia, and updated LED lighting that give it a contemporary yet rugged look. The signature grille remains imposing and purposeful, flanked by powerful LED headlights that cut through darkness with ease. Its tall stance, boxy silhouette, and muscular wheel arches signal serious off-road capability, while the aerodynamic tweaks improve efficiency and road manners. Large alloy wheels and a choice of premium paint finishes help the LC-400 stand out wherever it goes. Step inside and the LC-400 continues to impress. The interior cabin blends luxury and utility, offering high-quality materials, excellent fit and finish, and thoughtful ergonomics. Soft-touch surfaces, premium leather seats, and real wood or brushed metal accents create a comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. Seating is supportive and spacious, with ample legroom and headroom in all rows. The second and third seats fold easily to expand cargo space when needed, making the LC-400 as practical for grocery runs as it is for long expeditions. Technology is a hallmark of the 2026 model. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, providing crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated navigation. The digital driver display presents key information such as off-road settings, speed, and vehicle diagnostics in a clear and customizable format. Toyota has also included a premium audio system that fills the cabin with rich sound, enhancing both short drives and long journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 400 offers two potent powertrain options. The base engine is a powerful naturally aspirated V6 that delivers smooth acceleration and strong low-end torque, ideal for both on-road comfort and off-road control. For buyers seeking even greater performance, an available twin-turbo V6 adds significant horsepower and torque, making highway merges and steep climbs feel effortless. Both engine options are paired with an advanced automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and efficiently. The LC-400's drivetrain also includes a robust four-wheel drive system with multiple terrain modes, crawl control, and locking differentials, all designed to keep the vehicle moving confidently over rocks, sand, mud, and steep grades. Off-road capability is where the Land Cruiser shines. Toyota's legendary suspension setup provides excellent articulation, and the adaptive damping system soaks up rough terrain while maintaining stability at highway speeds. The high ground clearance, solid axles, and reinforced skid plates give you the confidence to tackle serious trails with minimal worry. Advanced off-road tech such as multi-terrain monitor and 360-degree cameras helps visualize obstacles and plan your line on difficult terrain. Hill Start Assist and Downhill Assist Control add further safety and control, especially on steep descents. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Script for more detailed and exciting vehicle reviews from around the world.